In this tutorial, we are building a journey where a new subscriber on Mailchimp will receive a welcome message on his personalized email. So let's build this journey. Select Mailchimp as trigger, then choose New Subscriber as trigger event. Click on the existing connection and link an account. Next, select the list. Now in steps, we have to send an email via Gmail. For that, select Gmail in steps. Next, send email as an action. Choose an existing connection and link an account. Enter the fields so you can take it from the new subscribers at data tree. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. So let's go to Mailchimp. We need to add a subscriber. So let's add a subscriber by filling in the required details. Select permissions. Click on Subscribe. Now go to our journey to check the journey execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now let's go to Gmail. We can see a welcome message for subscribing. So in this way, we can create an automation journey where a new subscriber on Mailchimp will receive a welcome message on email. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.